What the fuck?
I think I'm gonna mute this. I'm gonna be waving this thing like crazy.
That's fucking crazy.
Aypqr has so many charges against him. How are you gonna win this?
I have one charge.
I have still very little clue about what's going on.
Oh shit.
Your lawyer doesn't even know what's fucking going on, bro.
I have
You're
no clue
cooked.
what's going
Bill,
on.
don't say.
I do declare.
Oh,
I'm
God.
not a good lawyer, bro.
Your ass is gonna be in fucking prison, bro. I hope you know that.
What the
Your ass
hell,
is going to
John?
prison.
Well, you should confer with your client
Let me take a
in
read.
the 13 minutes you have left until the trial.
There's no shame, bro. Why are you shaming them, bro?
Hey, multitasking champ, bro.
Don't shame the game, bro.
This shit's hard with one
Game,
hand,
bro.
dude, but ooh, it feels good.
That's
So,
true.
What the fuck?
Wait, what?
What the
One
fuck did he
handed.
just say? What is going on?
Wait, no.
One hand champ, bro. It's a thing.
No, I'm gonna
Dude,
give
I
it to
can't believe this
John.
game can be played with one hand. It's so crazy.
Wait, let
Wait,
me get a fantasy.
you have a skin right now? And it's
No.
not the Walter White one?
Looks like just
Are you guys ready? Here,
Oh my god, he's his attorney. He's Phoenix Wright.
That's what I needed.
Okay, man.
Right, you got some skins for me?
Oh, you want a skin?
I don't know.
Let me get you a judge skin. Give me a second. I forgot about that. Empty spots.
How was his house taken down?
You know what? I'll just fucking
Yeah.
put this down. What do you
bro
say?
looks like a founding father.
Who does?
It is time. Hear
All right,
ye,
let's do
hear
this
ye.
shit.
Court is now in session. We are here.
Wait, where's Evan?
Right
Where
here.
is Evan?
He's right
Oh,
there.
oh, okay. I couldn't even see you. Sorry.
All right, the trial of the Baystater's Realm versus Evan, aka Shining Force, will now begin. Plaintiff, would you like to read the charges?
Evan, Aypqr, Shining Force, whatever you want to call him, is being charged with one account of lacing Mossy Cobble, one account of vandalism, and evidence tampering within my house, and one account of possession of mass amounts of Mossy Cobble.
So we have 4 charges. Okay, defendant, have you brought representation?
Yes.
Then who
My-
is your lawyer?
My lawyer is Rossi and Fan over here.
Okay, and defendant, how do you plead to these 4 charges?
Guilty.
Okay. to
Oh,
all
okay,
4
then we're done
charges?
here.
Alright,
No.
that's
No.
a closed case right there, dude.
Well, don't we have to go over the sentencing?
No,
Are
you
you
plead
pleading
guilty
guilty
or
on all
not
counts?
guilty, and then we.
You're supposed to
and
plead
then we
not
do the
guilty so
trial.
you get away.
Well, I need a plea deal.
You don't get a plea deal just yet, shittard.
What is happening?
Plaintiff, defendant,
Your Honor,
And if
proceed.
you want to take my job, take
Hold
it.
on.
He did it.
Didn't he already plead?
He's
Obj-
retarded. He doesn't know what.
Objection!
Which is
Objection!
weird
Didn't he
because
plead?
he's
Wait, objection.
objection. You did plead guilty when I asked you what you pled.
On
So I'm
baby.
giving you a do. The
fucktard.
court is graceful enough to give you a do-over.
Okay, can I ask one
Not-
question before I plead?
You may ask one question before you plead.
Do I need another? Do we need to schedule another court date for the
No,
actual?
This
No,
is your
this is-
trial.
There's gonna be no punishment.
No, that's not.
Oh, there's gonna
Evan,
be punishment,
Just,
alright.
just wait
Brother,
till.
here's how it works. They tell you what they're charging you with. You say guilty or not guilty. They provide the evidence for what you're guilty of. You provide the defense, and then at
Okay.
the end, we determine if you're guilty or not
Well,
guilty.
you made it sound like it was about to end. Guilty.
I mean, you've been on the delivering
So
end
you're
of
pleading
this like
guilty.
4
You're
times
saying that you're
now.
guilty.
I plead guilty.
Prosecutor, what do you recommend the sentence should be?
Dude, this is
Revoking his position from the HOA, as well as a fee of 1 stack of diamonds.
Okay. Defendant, what do you have to say to answer to this? Your punishment.
I would consider a revocation, if that's the word, of an HOA member as a max punishment, and I would like to maybe I don't know, make a deal with the prosecution, judge, whoever. I would say 2 stacks of diamonds, 3 netherite ingots, and a probation in which my house can be searched. No warrant at any time for any reason for a month.
Okay, so
What the
you
fuck?
actually want more
Harsher sentence?
punishment than what
yeah,
the
bro.
prosecution.
Bro's a masochist.
Instead of being removed from the HOA, I am willing to pay more in fines and a probation where my house is searched at any point without a warrant for a month.
I second that.
This,
Prosecutor, how do you feel about that?
this is a stain on the HOA, though.
I
How
feel
are we gonna
like,
trust you.
Should be
I
removed
feel
from the
like
HOA.
after the multiple Mossy Cobble incidents in the past, and Evan over here being the lead prosecutor in all of those endeavors, being the searcher who's done, somewhat sketchy searches in the past and tried people for Mossy Cobble left and right. Also being the person who created the Mossy Cobble rule to begin with, here breaking it is an ugly and terrible look for the HOA, and
Yes,
I don't know.
agree,
I don't know if
agree.
any monetary value could recover that.
Or the citizens gonna feel safe.
Your
What
Honor.
say you, defendant?
Go ahead, Bill.
Dude, what do I say here?
Uh,
So the
I do not feel as if his position should be revoked.
Okay, on the real, how do I
I
do
feel
it?
like
this leaves me in
when
a
it comes to
conundrum.
Mossy Cobble,
wait, we have
all
a
of it should
defense.
just be thrown into a giant pit of lava.
We have a defense prepared.
Motherfucker, you pled guilty.
Oh,
Do you
said
know
you would pay,
what the word guilty means?
okay, not guilty.
You are cooked.
Evan, at this point,
You
just-
are so cooked.
Wait, am I allowed? Am I allowed to make a statement?
You
Bro,
had to
no,
say
you
two.
gave
You
me
had to
shit
say
for making a
2
statement,
words.
so shut up.
All you had to say was not guilty, and you
I didn't
said
know how this was
guilty.
gonna work.
I
What do you mean?
explained it.
You watched
I
this happen like
explained
3
it.
fucking times.
And you
Okay,
This
said
is like
guilty.
this is like the
Okay.
4th trial we've had.
Yeah, the second one with all these bullshit rules.
What the fuck are you
You
talking about?
literally
Exactly
made
how
the
one was
bullshit
mine,
rule.
too.
Okay. In the
This was
interest
all
of
off
this
the
not
record, by
being
the way.
in the interest of this not being the lamest trial ever, so you're saying you plead not guilty and you want to defend yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, no.
Oh my
Because
god.
my whole defense
my
strategy was
God.
in taking responsibility. So I don't know.
Brother,
Evan,
you
you
had-
literally are doing exactly what I
If you when you're asked what you plead, if you feel like you were guilty, like I did it and I accept the consequences, then you
Right.
say guilty.
Right.
If you
know, but my
claim
whole
that you didn't do it or that there were extenuating circumstances, then you
Right.
plead not guilty.
Well, I
Yeah, you
obviously
can say I did it, but I don't think it was illegal what I did.
Okay.
I would be
obviously
not guilty.
I
Your Honor,
obviously
touch
did it,
happiness.
and I'm taking accountability. But the
So
defense
you
the defense has an opportunity to defend.
That would be a not guilty plea, and you risk a harsher
Well,
punishment.
What's
yeah,
harsher
you
than what's
do.
on the table right now?
Wait, hold on. You do get a chance to defend when you say you're not guilty. So it sounds like you have some circumstance where you feel like you did it, but you had a reason for doing it. Is that what
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We're gonna say not guilty, but he's
Why
gonna
don't you
defend
make
his
that
case
statement
anyway.
now?
Well, is this even worth it?
You may take
Your
that
Honor,
back.
there is nothing I can say that will excuse this horrendous crime. The sheer amount of paraphernalia in my possession was unprecedented, and I take full responsibility. As an HOA member and prosecutor, my presence around Mossy Cobble was abundant. At first, it was just 1 block, then 2, and then into what you see now. I knew it was wrong, but I was already hooked. This period of sobriety from Mossy Cobble has cleared the fog in my head, and I'd like to make it known to the court that I believe I am rejuvenated, and any future possession is highly unlikely.
I don't think that word means what you think it means.
Sorry, and I'm
So,
rejuvenated.
in your official capacity, you may be allowed to handle Mossy Cobble, just like the cops can take drugs from you.
Yeah, like,
But
hold on, one more thing.
the fact that you then retained possession of the Mossy Cobble and took it into your own domicile was clearly illegal. Prosecutor,
He put the
hearing
apostrophe in the
that
wrong place.
eloquent statement from the defense, do you wish to modify your sentencing recommendation?
No, my prior statement stands.
So you still want Evan to retire from be removed from the Baystaters HOA and 1 stack of diamonds.
I think his career with the HOA at least needs a hiatus. So
I
Put him on
agree. That's
probationary
I don't
leave.
believe that the
Paid leave.
people will feel comfortable until Evan has done acts to prove himself trustworthy again.
I hereby sentence you to 1, relinquish 1 stack of diamonds, and 2, you will be removed from the HOA for 1 month, and after that, you will be placed on probation for the period of 6 months.
Is he poisoning himself?
Damn.
He's killing himself.
He's killing himself.
Hey!
Maze.
Wolf type shit.
Oh god.
I don't even want to get lost in the maze that is my castle.